prosperity. To everyone who is celebrating their birthdays today, the 14th day of January, age with grace and soar high in the name of Jesus. Today we are here to specially give you a birthday greeting because it's your day. Enjoy it as much as you can, and we are rooting for you as one of the Capricorn stars. Continue to age with grace by the grace of God. So now let's give our dance to be able to celebrate with you.
Nítorí ọmọ January sọ pé my birthday has come, oh yeah, send me money. My birthday